Alright guys, this is one of my new fans that I got yesterday. This is a 30-inch or 36-inch Hampton by Minuet. The blades are original, but they're painted black, as you can see. Right? That's facing up low. Yeah, the fan is pretty cute. I also got a Hunter Balboa and a Turn the Sentry along with the fan yesterday. Yeah, so I got 3 fans total. And the globe is not original to the fan, unfortunately. They put the globe that came with it. But I'm currently using a screw out globe. Cause it looks better than the one that came with the fan. Yeah, so I decided to use this globe instead. Pretty decent air movement on low. Okay, let's take up to medium. There's high, medium. Sure, chain good stuff. Pretty fast on medium. I think that's high medium, not medium. Here's high. Decent air mover. Surprisingly, it doesn't wobble. There we go. Turn this off. Spin down. Yeah, when I got these 3 fans, this one was pretty dirty. Yeah, so there we go. And I don't think it came with a light bulb at all. Just added a 41 clear bulb in it. Works perfectly. Thanks for watching.